Claude AI usage limit reached. 3 ways to fix it fast. You're right in the middle of something important and Claude suddenly says usage limit reached. Frustrating, right? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 ways to fix it fast, and one of them works even if you're on the free plan. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down exactly why Claude hits its usage limit and what you can actually do about it. This is one of the most common complaints from Claude users in 2026, and most people don't realize the real reason it's happening. Let's fix it. First, understand what's actually happening. Claude doesn't just read your new message when you send it. It rereads your entire conversation history every single time to maintain context. The longer your thread gets, more messages, bigger files, deeper history, the more computational load each new message creates. When that load crosses the threshold, your session locks. The session-based limit resets every 5 hours, so you're not locked out forever, but waiting isn't always an option. Fix 1, start a fresh conversation. This is the fastest fix, and it works right now for free. Because Claude reprocesses your entire thread on every message, a long conversation is far more expensive than a new one covering the same topic. Open a new chat, briefly re-summarize your context, and continue. You'll immediately get a clean slate with your full limit restored. Fix 2, enable extra usage. If you're on a paid plan, go to Settings. Then Usage, you'll see your session bar, your weekly limits bar, and an extra usage toggle at the bottom. Turning this on lets you keep working beyond your standard limit by drawing on additional capacity. It's the quickest fix when you genuinely can't stop mid-task. Fix 3, upgrade your plan. The Pro plan offers at least 5 times the usage per session compared to the free plan. If you're hitting Pro limits daily, the Max 5X plan at $100 per month gives you significantly more headroom, and Max 20X at $200 per month is built for people running heavy workflows all day. No plan is completely immune, but upgrading gives you far more room before hitting the wall. Here's your pro tip: keep your conversations short and focused. The usage limit isn't a penalty for too many messages. It kicks in because a long conversation becomes computationally expensive to process. One long thread with 50 back-and-forth messages costs far more than 5 shorter, focused conversations. Treat each Claude chat like a specific task, not an open-ended journal. So there you go, 3 fixes for Claude's usage limit. Start a fresh conversation, enable extra usage in settings, or upgrade your plan. The free fix works instantly, and the paid options give you serious headroom for heavy workflows. If this saved you from a frustrating interruption, hit that like button and subscribe for more Claude tips every week. Drop a comment below, are you on the free plan, Pro, or Max? I'm curious what plan most of you are using in 2026. See you in the next one.